Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing part 2 of using these Btartbox collab nails that they made with LongHairPrettyNails. So I used those two and I want to mix and match with these 3 sets today. So I'm just quickly sizing out all my nail tips. I saw Nailed by Brandy do a look with these 3 and I just don't know why I didn't realize how beautiful they look together. I'm so thrilled that I am going to try this thanks to her. So yeah, we're just sizing out the nails really fast. I do have some base coat on my nails, which I will show in a little pop-up and talk about later on in the video. But I have to say, being that this is the second time that I'm using these nails, they are so strong. You do not need to top coat these. You do not need to build or gel these. They are super, super strong. They're, in my opinion, stronger than the X-Coat tips. They are like super sturdy press-ons. Like, these are not going to crack. They're not going to break. So they're definitely worth the money in my opinion. And here is the rubber base that I have been using. My nails are in super rough shape, you guys. So I applied that just to kind of give me something to buff so I don't have to buff my natural nails. And I'm just wiping off with alcohol. And I am using my Gella semi-solid nail glue, which I'll talk more about at the end, and my thoughts on that to apply these. It's just super quick process. I am loving these. I really, really want to purchase the toenails and the medium coffin nail tips. They're all so beautiful depending on what shape you pick. They do come in different designs and they can all be mix and matched, or you can wear them as solid sets, whatever you want to do. And you do get 160 nails in the packs, and each pack has 5 different designs, and there are tons of 3D designs as well. I am really, really loving these blue nails in this set. I don't know, they're just so pretty, and these are perfect for spring and summer. I just want to say a huge thank you to Btartbox for sending these over again my way. I am just so happy to be sharing another video with you guys, and I want to give a huge congratulations to Evie. Not like she'll see this, but this is like super cool that she got to do a second collab, and they're so beautiful. I personally love all of these designs. I didn't get to try the first collab. I think they're honestly still available. I think they did a restock, but these are definitely right up my alley for sure. So you can see how quick this is. This glue is super, super nice. I'm going to talk more about that at the end, like I said. If you could, guys, give this video a like for me and leave me a comment down below what you think. Have you tried these out? I would definitely like to hear from you guys. Have you tried any of the other collab nails from Btartbox and LongHairPrettyNails? Let me know. So here is the finished look. So beautiful. All you have to do is just file the little tip, the little nub, and you're good to go. That's literally it. These are the fastest nails ever. So cute. Saved me so much time. I'm super, super happy with these. This is my favorite set I've done with these by far. This mix and match look is super gorgeous. I am just loving it. I'm just so happy with these. I can't say enough good things, really. So beautiful. Look at that cat eye effect. So cute. I really always like to wear mix and match nails, so these are perfect. Okay, so quickly, I also just want to talk to you guys about this new launch as well, which is their ceramic cuticle pusher oil pen. And the reason I didn't use this just yet right now is because I'm still waiting for my glue to set. Being that this is a semi-solid glue, it does take longer than like your average liquid air dry glue to fully dry, so I don't want to like start getting oil under my nails and stuff. I want to make sure it's fully cured, but I will be using this after I know that they're set completely. I did use this last night while I was doing my prep and stuff, and I just wanted to show it to you. So the tip is not soft, even though it might look like it is. It is a ceramic texture, and it worked really, really well. You do have to click it like 10 times, maybe more, to get it started. So it is a 5 milliliter pen. And you see your ingredients right here. It's whatever those two things are, and then it's squalene, mineral oil, olive oil, vitamin E, and something else. So that is what is in here, and I did really, really like it. So you can use it for prep, like for pushing back your cuticles, and use this kind of as a cuticle pusher because it is a firm ceramic tip. And personally, I would do this like the night before because you don't want to be applying oils to your nails before you're trying to get adhesion and stuff. So just keep that in mind. And then, like I said, I'm waiting to apply this to my cuticles for like topping off the set till my glue is completely dried. But yeah, I would say that this is a nice product for sure. It's really, really moisturizing. I usually use just vitamin E oil on my cuticles, so that's in here as well as a couple of other oils, like I said. So they do have this on their site as well. And as for the glue, I said that I wanted to like use it one more time before like I talked to you guys about it. So this is the Una Gella Gel Nail Glue. No lamp needed. Obviously, this is air dry glue, but it is semi-solid. And I do really, really like it. I might be using too much, but I also might not because I have a tendency of having like a gap behind my nails. So I just want to make sure that I'm using enough. I really like it. It helps with that so much, so I don't have any gaps where water or moisture can get trapped under my press-on nails, which is something that annoys me about press-on nails. But with this, that is not a problem. You don't have overflow like you would with using tons and tons of liquid gel glue. I got a 2-pack of this on Amazon for $7.99. I've used this twice. I've used like a good amount of it. So in my opinion, I think you do use more of this than you do, like you'd get more uses out of, say, like a bottle like this for sure. And I do like this. I use this on my toes all the time. I've had my toes on for 2+ weeks and they're still on, no pop-offs. So I do love this. And it is brush on. But this, like I said, I get gaps on my nails a lot. I guess they're kind of curved. I don't know. But yeah. So I do recommend this definitely to you guys. I've had no like reaction, no anything. It just works really well and it makes applying press-ons like just super, super easier than it already is. And just one more thing. Oh shit. I keep doing that. Like I showed in the video, I used this. As you can tell, I had some sort of base on my nails. I used this Gayoi Builder base. It is like a rubber base gel because my nails are so bad right now. They're like paper thin. I just wanted something to protect my nails a little bit so I can still buff them up with prep and stuff. So there's your ingredients right there. And I would say that I do really like this. It was like $5.99, I believe, for a 16 ml bottle. It is just a little bit on the runny side for sure, so be super, super careful if you're going to get this and use this. You can get a lot of like bleeding into the cuticles, so just use a small amount and be ready to clean it up, and probably you'll be better off like flash curing in between nails and then doing like a full cure because it is really runny. But at the same time, that makes it easier to spread. I don't like super thick rubber bases, and I just wanted it clear because like I have a couple of milky colors from Born Pretty, but I wanted clear just because, and it was so cheap, so I picked this up. But I'm going to continue to use this and update you on it for sure. So yeah, and I also think this would be good for like painting your own press-ons, adding a little bit of extra strength in with your base coat, like never hurts. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that it was helpful for you, and let me know what you think down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.